Hey YouTube, today we will be doing an unboxing of the Airsoft GI Mystery Patches, so let's get into it. I believe we ordered 5, so, yep. And they each individually come packaged, so you get this, well, multiple Airsoft GI pamphlets, the shipping order, and the, should be 5 patches. So we'll start off with this one. They're quite hard to get open. The first patch is a Airsoft GI patch, and it is, oh, there's 2. So there's a Airsoft GI, which says Mystery, Respect and Safety. And on the back, on the other patch, it is a Airsoft GI with the smoke mask. They are both Velcro. Next, let's see. Next we have a Guns and Coffee, which is clearly resembles the Starbucks. And it is a PVC morale patch, apparently. Let's get a closer look at that. This one is made of rubber and it does have Velcro, so these Velcro ones will go on most, if not all, vests. The third one, let's see, these are very sticky, so. The third one is a Maxpedition, and it is, feels rubber, and it says, disregard females, acquire a currency. And let's see a little bit closer. And this one is rubber, and it seems like it has Velcro, and it has a backside to the Velcro, so if you wanted to, I guess, sew it onto any vest, you could. So that's pretty nice. And that one is, once again, rubber. So far we got 2 rubber patches and, well, 2 normal cloth. This is the fourth one. Fourth one is, I'm not really sure. To me it looks like the Star Wars Empire's logo, but it is rubber and it has Velcro on the side. But I'm not sure quite what this logo is. So the final one, let's see. The final one is really small. It says free candy, seems legit. So this is once again by Maxpedition, and it feels rubber. So let's open that up. Yeah, these Maxpeditions one, they are all rubber and they do have a backside to their Velcro. So if you do want to sew these on anything else. So yeah, we got 3 rubber and 2 cloth here, if I can get those out. So not bad. I'll do a close-up with all of these and that'll be it. Jingle bells.